Selling services with scheduling. Selling services through Squarespace is made easy with Squarespace Scheduling. It encourages clients to book appointments on their own while capturing all the information you need and making sure there are no conflicts in your schedule. Scheduling is a paid service, but all Squarespace sites have access to a free scheduling trial. While you're on the free trial, you can access the basic features of scheduling, except for some customization options. To start setting up scheduling for your site, click Scheduling and select Get Started to begin the free trial. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your availability. There are two ways that you can control when your clients book: set hours of availability and client scheduling limits. To explicitly set the appointment times available to your clients, click Set Hours of Availability. If your hours are regular every week, keep the checkmark clicked and type your daily hours into the text box for each day of the week. You enter your availability as windows of time, or list the specific times your appointments can start. You can also mix the two formats. Once you're done setting your weekly hours, click Save Regular Hours. You can see the entire month below. If you want to override the options for a specific date, you can click on that date in this calendar, change the text inside the text box, and click Set Hours. This will change your hours only for that specific date. If your hours differ from week to week, unclick the checkmark, click Switch to Specific Days, and enter your hours for each day of the month. If you want to further restrict when clients can schedule appointments or prevent too many appointments being scheduled the same day, click Client Scheduling Limits. Here, you can set up 4 types of rules. You can prevent clients from scheduling too soon or too remotely for an appointment by setting the minimum hours and/or maximum days a client is allowed to book. Similarly, you can prevent clients from canceling or rescheduling appointments within a certain range of their scheduled time. If you have the capacity for more than one appointment per time slot, you can increase the number of appointments per block. And if you want to restrict the total number of hours or appointments per day or week, you can also set that here by clicking the toggle and selecting the appropriate limits. Once you're done setting limits, click Save Limits. Once you've set up your availability, you need to create appointment types. Appointment types are services which clients can schedule, and you must have at least one to allow clients to schedule appointments with you. Click New Type of Service. Enter the name, duration, and price of the service. Clients will see some of this information when they book. You can also add a longer description, show a message after scheduling, or block off time around the appointment by clicking on the corresponding link. If the price of your service is set to $0, the price will be omitted from the scheduling page. You can set a picture to be shown on the scheduling page here, and if the appointment is something only an admin or client with special access link should be able to book, you can set the service access level to private. If you want to present clients with an intake form when they schedule, you can select a form from the right, or create a new form by clicking on the Intake Form Questions section. Once you're done setting up the appointment type, click Create Appointment Type. Once you've added an appointment type, you can start taking appointments by adding scheduling to your website. You can send direct links to your clients, or embed your scheduler directly on their website with the scheduling block. To get a direct link to your standalone scheduler, click Direct Link and click Copy. To add the scheduling block to your website, click any insert point, scroll down to the business section, and select Scheduling. This block allows visitors to your site to book an appointment directly on your site. You can control what shows in this block by choosing an option from the drop-down menu. You can either show all public appointment types, specific appointment types, all appointments that appear on a specific calendar, or provide a link to a custom scheduling page. Unlike other blocks on Squarespace, you can't customize the appearance of the scheduling block under Site Styles. Instead, go to Scheduling and click Customize Appearance. Here, you can switch from a daily or monthly schedule, set your business's name and logo, add additional scheduling instructions, edit properties of the calendar shown, and change the font and color of the scheduling elements. There are more customization options under Scheduling Page Options. Here, you can disable or hide a number of options that change how users can schedule using the scheduling page. Once you're done customizing the scheduling page, click Save Changes. This is all that's needed to set up a basic appointment and scheduling block. But, like most of Squarespace, there's a lot more you can do with scheduling, including syncing it with other calendar applications, resource management, multiple locations, and recurring appointments. Check out the Squarespace Help Center for more information on what you can do with scheduling.